A lot of the folks in our industry, mortgage, insurance, solar, are really familiar with third party leads. It's really easy. You have an expert lead provider, marketing company that's generating leads, dumping them into your CRM, immediately getting your sales agents, your loan officers, and productively working leads that fit your ultimate ideal customer profile, your ICP. However, I would advocate that you do, and I'm a lead provider, right? I'm giving you earnest advice that you should start to learn or have some level of competency in generating first party leads. So, why is that? First and foremost, those leads will have a higher level of trust and often intent because they actually have been generated generally on your website directly by you underneath your brand. So when they come into your sales agents, there will already be a familiarity with your brand, what you represent, and who you are. And so your contact rates will be higher, your level of trust will be higher. And so ultimately, that will have significant value. The other thing is you have full control over the entire customer experience from the moment that they encounter you to the first interaction with sales to that closing to that follow up. Also, these leads tend to have a more robust referral back into them because, again, they've committed to your brand and they've experienced it exactly as you intend it to be from start to finish. And then long term, there will be some cost savings. Ultimately, it'll be a little more expensive as you build your expertise and your credibility as an advertiser and you build the skill sets inside of your organization. But long term, ultimately, this type of lead generation will be less expensive than third party leads. And to some degree, depending on the marketing techniques you use, if you introduce things like SEO and content, you will essentially start to build a lead engine that is very close to zero incremental cost per lead. And that can be really compelling to your organization, to your sales operation, and ultimately to the value of the overall company.